Hello everyone, welcome back. What we are going to learn in this video is what is Helm, why we have to use Helm, what are the different versions of Helm available, how to set up Helm, and then we will also try to understand a little bit more information about Helm, like what is chart and how does Kubernetes applications are being deployed using Helm as well. All right, so let's get started. This is my website, coachdevops.com. I will be posting the link right below the video as well. Awesome. Let's try to understand what is Helm. Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes based applications. It is very similar to Yum or APT. So using Yum or APT, what we do, we install or we remove any software in the Red Hat or Ubuntu, right? So it is very similar to that. Okay, but why we have to use Helm? So let's say that you are working on a Kubernetes based applications development. You manage multiple microservices, and let's say in each microservice you have multiple deployment YAML file. As number of microservices keep on increasing, plus you also add more and more deployment YAML file, because you have to manage your Kubernetes resources, right? In your deployment YAML file. But how are we going to manage them as more complexity increases? So this is where we can leverage Helm. So how can we leverage Helm? Because Helm is going to allow you to create something called chart. A chart is nothing but it's a collection of files that describes your entire Kubernetes resource setup. So if you see here, this is a typical Helm chart tree structure. So as you can see here, you have multiple deployment YAML file. So the respective configuration goes into respective files. So this is where you are going to manage your Kubernetes based configurations, right, for your applications. Okay, so Helm chart can be easily created using Helm command. When you create a chart, this is a typical structure. It comes with all these predefined files. You can just go and customize them. Okay, awesome. So let's try to see here how Helm is going to interact with the Kubernetes cluster. So we are going to use Helm 3 because in Helm 3 there is no tiller component. So they have simplified Helm integration with API server, right? So if you see here, so when you install Helm on your Ubuntu machine or on your local machine, you can integrate with API server using Helm client. And if you see here, you also have a chart repository. Chart repository is nothing but, so remember we talked about charts, which contains all our Kubernetes configurations, everything. So everything goes into the chart repository, right? So using Helm client, we would be deploying Kubernetes-based applications into Kubernetes cluster. Right? It's very simple actually if you look at the way Kubernetes integration is going to happen. So how can you install Helm 3? Helm 3 can be installed many ways. You can install Helm using script option. That's exactly what we are going to do in this video. All right, so let's get started here. So as you can see here, the scripts are available in this location. We just have to download the script and then go ahead and then install that script. That's it. All right, awesome. So where I'm going to install is I'm going to install on my Ubuntu EC2 instance. So let me quickly connect to it. All right, so I'm connected to my Ubuntu EC2 instance, and let me see if I have Helm. So as you can see here, Helm is not there. So how do I install? So like I said, we are going to download the script. So from this location, so copy this command. All right, so we were able to download. The script which we just downloaded. And then we are going to give permission. Okay, so we gave permission to execute that script. Wonderful. And then just go ahead and then execute the shell script. All right, awesome. You see here. So that's it, right? So Helm is installed right now. Wow, there you go. So at the time of setting up this Helm, so this is the version we have installed. This is the version of the Helm we have installed. All right. Awesome, guys. So that's all we have. So hopefully we will see more videos in my YouTube channel on how to use Helm for installing Kubernetes based applications. Thank you for watching.